Okay, alright. So next question, number 7, chapter 7, rotational of rigid body. Rotation of rigid body. Okay, so this one 7. A small rubber wheel is used to drive a large pottery wheel and they are mounted so that their circular edge touch. The small wheel has radius 2 centimeter and accelerate at the rate of 7.2 radian per second, and it is in contact with the pottery wheel radius 25 centimeter without slipping. Okay, so we assume, I'm not sure kedudukan atas ataupun bawah, tapi kita assume lah. Okay, so ada small wheel, kemudian ada satu lagi big wheel. Okay, so yang ni satu rubber, so the information that we have is R for rubber. The radius for rubber wheels is equals with 2 centimeter, which is 0.02 meter, and then it's given that accelerate at 7.2 radian per second. So alpha equals with 7.2 radian per second. Okay, kemudian ni untuk rubber lah. Okay, next information given is the radius of the pottery. Okay, radius of the pottery wheels equals with 25 centimeter, which is equals with 0.25 meter. Okay, so the first question is the angular acceleration of the pottery wheel. So soalan tanya nilai alpha untuk pottery. Okay, so what we know about these two wheels, because it attached together, the linear acceleration untuk rubber is equals with the linear acceleration for pottery. Sama Okay, and the equation to calculate linear acceleration, as we know, A is equals with R alpha. So we substitute the equation R alpha. So this one is for rubber, is equals with R alpha for pottery. Okay, next we do the substitution. What we have is R alpha for rubber. So this one 0.02 times with 7.2 is equals with the radius for pottery is 0.25, and then we want to calculate the alpha for pottery. Okay, so from here tekan calculator, then you have alpha pottery is equals with 0.576 radian per second square. Okay, dah selesai lah untuk 7A. Now we go to 7B. So 7B, the time it takes the pottery wheels to reach requirement speed. So it's given that the omega equals with 65 rpm, and then start from rest, it means that omega naught equals to 0. So salin balik information, omega naught equals to 0, omega equals with 65 rpm times with 2 pi over 60. So what you're gonna have is 65 times 2 divided by 60, so 2.167 pi radian per second. And we have alpha 0.576 radian per second square. So soalan tanya T. So from here we can use equation omega equals to omega naught plus alpha T. So buat substitution macam biasa. So 2.167 pi equals with 0 plus with 0.576 T. So T is equals with 12 second. Okay, itu sahaja.